Hey guys, welcome to my house. I want to show you today the boat that I built. I actually built this in the winter in the basement. That's right, I built a boat in the basement and you'll see how I got it out in a second. So this is a 16-foot skiff that I built. It's an ultralight boat. It weighs about 120 pounds, so it's easy to carry, easy to put on top of a car. So I used all marine grade finishes on this. I spent probably about 100 hours making it, another 100 hours putting the finish on. Because we're talking about 10 coats of primer and 10 coats of paint and about 12 coats of varnish, all marine grade. And one really cool thing is if you look at this piece here, this actually used to be part of my grandmother's house. And I repurposed it when the house was renovated so that it wasn't lost. It's maybe 100 years old, this piece of wood. So the reason why I built a boat is because we have a house on a lake and I wanted something to take out onto the lake. And I decided it'd be more fun to build a boat than to buy one. And I saw it as a challenge. So what I did is I went online, looked at boat plans all over the place. I bought a plan for this ultralight skiff and I put it together myself, learned how to read boat plans, which is a completely new thing for me. So I probably spent a month just studying the plans before I even started. And I built all of this with, tools that you would buy at Canadian Tire, like, my Mastercraft saws and stuff, back before I was really heavy into woodworking. So as I showed you guys, this outer stem was made with the piece from my grandmother's house. So was this piece here, and then all of these spacers. So the hull is made out of marine grade plywood. Those spacers between the inner and outer rail, they're made out of that mahogany. All the benches are made out of ash, and the structural frame of it is made out of pine, so it's ultra lightweight. Pretty much the main reason I don't take it out very often is because we don't have a wharf. You guys might think this is really romantic, but we don't have dates on the boat.
You've actually only used it once.
No.
Yeah, one time you went on it.
No, like 3-4 times.
Okay. 3 or 4 times. Apparently.
We need a wharf
One day.
one day when we have time.